Hey guys, this is Nick and I am back with an amazing home screen setup. This is Dragon Ball Z setup and this is one of the best setup that you have ever seen and one of the best setup that I have ever created. Here is the setup, check it out. So to get more home screen setups like this, you just need to like this video, and 90% viewers who have not subscribed, please click on subscribe so we can go
even further beyond.
Okay, now back to the video. Go to the description and download all the files. Now follow this video till the end to get your home screen ready. Let's do it. Let's first start with Noah Backup. Long press on home screen, go to the settings, go to the backup and import settings, click on the restore or manage backups and click on the browse. Now go to any file explorer and go to the directory where you have stored your files. Now you will find dbz techwithnick.noah backup, so click on it. Just click on the overwrite OK. Now your backup is restored. Let's go to the file explorer and set the wallpaper. So here is the wallpaper. Click on the memory and click on the three dots, set as, Noah wallpaper, set wallpaper and home screen. Now your wallpaper is set successfully. Go to the home. Now as you can see, it is looking amazing. Now two widgets are there, so click on the second widget over here and click on the new on top, click on the plus and click on the image. Okay, now over here in the image, select on the pick image. Now in this one you need to go to the files that I have provided. Just go there and select this dragonball.png file. Okay, once that is done, once image is there, change the width to 75. Now once width is set, go to the touch, click on the plus on top, click on the single, click on the action and click on the launch shortcut. Now in the shortcut, find Noah action and in this app drawer. Now click on the save and move to home. Now let's set the first widget, click on it, click on the new on top. Now over here we need to add one overlap group, so click on the overlap group, move inside. In this one, add one text. Okay, change the text, select df over here or click over here and type M. Okay, so you will find July. Now you will find Roboto in the font, just select it and change it to night, Tuesday night regular. Okay, now in the size, change it to 160. Once this is completed, go to paint and change the color from FFFFFF to FF272727. Okay, once that is done, go to position and change the R padding to 5, just 5. Now go back, click on the plus again, click on the text. Now in this text you need to change it to 3 times capital E. Okay, E, yeah, 3 times E. Click on OK. Now in the font, change it to Compton bold. In the size, change it to 170. Okay, and in filter, change it to Buggers. Okay, once it is done, go to the paint. It is white, so we will not change anything. Click on the save, go back, click on the plus again, click on the text. Now in this one we will change the time and add a behind. Okay, click OK. In Roboto, change it to not one fold in font. In the size, change it to 30. Okay, once that is done, go to the position, change the L padding to just 5 and T padding to 225. Okay, so it will look little bit good. If you want to make any change, like if you want to add something, it like this to 20, it will look good, then you can make the change. Okay, it's up to you. And if you want to make this little bit more right, then also you can do that. Okay, but just little bit will be better, so you can adjust the padding in the way it suits you. Now click on the plus once again, click on the text, click on this one and change it to DD. Okay, so it will be day of the month. Now click on OK. In the font, change to Compton bold and the size will be 55, so it will be a bit bigger. Now go to position and change the top padding to 325. Okay, if you want to make it a little bit down, then you can do it, it's up to you. And click on the save. Okay, now once that is done, everything is set over here. Just go back. Now in this overlap group, go to the layer and change the scale to 125. Okay, now go to touch, go back, go to touch and delete this action. Okay, everything is great, looks nice. Click on the save and move to home. There you have it. Okay, you will get few icons at your home screen, but if you want to change them, then you just need to install Icons icon pack and remove any icon that you want. Like I want this, remove this one, place it over here and go to edit, click over here, click on the icons, and icons will find that icon for you and give it to you over here. Just click done and yeah, there you go. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit that like button, that really helps me a lot. I will be back soon with Death Note edition in episode 30, so stay tuned for that. And here's the playlist if you want to check out any other setup. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, this is Nick signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay creative.